Hi guys, I'm the Kidsplainer, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to skateboard. Are you ready to learn? Well, let's get to it. First, you're going to need a skateboard. It could be like this, or something, a skateboard like this. It can be any skateboard. In fact, this is the skateboard I used to use before getting this one and giving this one to a friend. You'll need, I really want you to have a helmet. That's for safety. And if you want, you can get pads. I have wrist pads, elbow pads, and knee pads to protect me. And that's the gear. Before we do step one, first you need to decide if you're gonna have your left foot in front or your right foot. And it's your choice really, but I prefer left forward. One way you can tell is if you're sliding on ice, which foot is forward for you. Mine is my left. So, I'm going to put my left foot here on the front of the board and then take my back foot, my other foot, and push with it. This is step one, just pushing. And step two, you want to ride the board. How do you ride it? Step two is where your stance. When you're done pushing, you don't want to do this because this is just feels awkward and it's not the right way. But after you put your back foot on the board, you twist your front foot like this. This is the proper stance for riding your board. Okay, now to go over those two steps. Back foot pushes. And then you get on your board, foot sideways, and then your front foot twists. So they're both facing this way across the board. And this is the way I normally ride it, and it's the proper way to ride your board. Step three is turning. You don't want to just go straight, you want to turn. There's two ways to turn. The first way to turn is by leaning with your feet. It's called carve turn. And if you want to go like that way, you push down on your toes in both of them. Not so your board goes like this and you fall, just enough to make your board turn. And if you want to go that way, you do the same but on your heels, like this. And not enough to make this and you fall, you just want to make that board turn. And the second way to turn is called the kick turn. It's sort of hard when you're doing the carve turn to turn really tight, but with the kick turn, it's better for doing tight turns. For this turn, you're gonna need your back foot, whatever foot that is for you, on the tail of your board, the back part where it curls up. And when you're doing a kick turn, you wind up your body and your arms to do it. Like you look like that. That's the motion. When you're doing that, and when you get to this point of your turn with your body, then you push down on the tail. And then that twist is gonna make your board go like this. fun practicing those 3 steps. And then you'll know the basics of skateboarding. And here's a bonus tip. A fun way to pick up your board is I use my front foot and stomp on the tail of the board, and then it comes up, and then you use your hand and you catch the nose of the board. And it is really fun. Mistakes is an important part of skateboarding. If you just make a mistake, you're learning. And if you're learning something new and you're getting better. So mistakes are just gonna make you better. I hope you liked this skateboarding video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Now go outside, get a skateboard, learn, have fun, but most importantly, make mistakes. I'm the Kidsplainer, and I'll see you next time. Ba-dum-ba-bum. Bang! Put up, poo, put up. I'm the Kidsplainer, and I'll see you next time.